The spiritual benefits of alligator pepper. The spiritual uses of alligator pepper. This is New Life with Precious. You're welcome back to my channel, my beautiful family. I love you all. If this is your first time on my channel, you're welcome. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification bell for more videos. Okay, let's get right into today's video. I'm not going to take your precious time. Just stick here with me till the end of this video. Okay, the spiritual uses of alligator pepper. Alligator pepper spiritual benefits. Most of you don't know that alligator pepper has a lot of spiritual benefits. Alligator pepper has a lot of spiritual uses. In fact, alligator pepper, this is alligator pepper right here in my hand. This is a sacred fruit. It is a spiritual fruit. It is a miraculous fruit. In fact, it is a lifesaver. Spiritual benefits of alligator pepper. In fact, it has a lot of spiritual benefits. And to use alligator pepper, you have to break it first, because we need the seeds inside the alligator pepper. Okay, now let me warn you. To break alligator pepper, you have to break it by you don't break it in your front. You have to break it by facing backwards. You have to hold it in your hands and you have to face your back like this. And you have to break it with your two hands. Okay? You have to break it with your two hands behind your back. So I know it's very hard to break because the fruit is very tough. You know, all you have to do, you can use your fingernails to break it. You can't use just 5 fingers to do it. You won't break. You have to use your two hands. You have to use your two hands and you have to force it open. Okay? So once you break it, you're gonna see numerous black seeds or numerous brown seeds inside of it. Just collect one seed. You need one seed of alligator pepper, because you can use this for protection. You can use this for good health. You can use this to pray. You can use this when you are going on a journey. You can use this when you are traveling. You can use this when you are having a baby. You can use this when you're pregnant. You can use this to attract wealth. You can use this to attract prosperity. You can use this for anything. That's why I told you this seed right here, because this is one I collected one seed. All you have to do is just get one seed. And how do you make the prayer? Whatever your problem is, whatever you might be going through, just collect one seed of alligator pepper. Hold it like this between your thumb and your ring finger, your index finger, like this. Okay, this is your index finger, this is your thumb. Just hold that seed in between like that. Then you have to pray. You have to pray whatever you want to attract into your life, whatever you want to wish for your life, for your present, for your future self, for your future. Just say it. And I warn you, you have to believe. Your belief is very essential. You have to believe that this is going to work for you. Just pray to God whatever your wishes are, whatever you want to reject in your life, whatever you want to attract into your life. If you want to return curses back to sender, you can use this. If you want to attract breakthrough, you want to attract success, you want to attract love, You want to attract wealth. Just hold one alligator pepper, just one seed in your hand, and pray to it. Okay? So pray to it, and if there's any problems, you want to remove any negativity in your body, you want to remove any negativity, you want to release tension from your body, just hold that alligator pepper and just rub it all over your body, starting from your head. Start from your head down to your hand, to your ears, to your mouth, every part of your body, to your toes. Touch everywhere. Then you have to throw it away. You have to do this 3 times. But you have to use one seed each of the 3 times. Okay? Each of the 3 times you have to use one seed. You make the prayer with the first one. After doing all the prayers and everything, you have to throw it away. Then you take the second one, you make the same prayer, you throw it away. You make the third prayer, then you throw it away. So after the third prayer, throw everything away. And I tell you, you will start seeing changes in your life. If you want your business to start progressing, if you want to attract good health, you want money, you want prosperity, you're pregnant, you're looking for the fruit of the womb, you want to protect yourself against witches and wizards, whatever it is, use alligator pepper, and I promise you this is going to change your life for the better. I've done this and it works 100%. In fact, a lot of people have shared their testimony with me, and I'm so happy they did. You too should not be an exception. Try this out and leave your comment in the comment section. If you have any questions for me, leave it down in the comment section and I will get back to you as soon as possible. This is New Life with Precious. I love you all. If you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel right now and turn on your notification bell for more videos. Okay? I'm going to see you in my next video. I love you all. Until then, have yourself a wonderful time. The spiritual benefits of alligator pepper is going to work for you. Bye.